Hiding and unhiding rows and columns is very easy to do. So in this case, I'm going to hide the row that has turkey in it, so row 7. So I'm going to left click on that number so that it highlights the entire row, and then I'm going to right click. And when I right click, we're going to see a number of options come up here from the menu, and what I'm going to do is come to the bottom and click hide. So we'll left click, and now we see it goes from row 6 to row 8, and we see a tiny little sliver in between that. That still signifies that there is a row there. We didn't delete it, it's still there, but it's not showing. So if I'm trying to navigate through my cells and I click enter from row 6, it's going to go straight to row 8. It's going to skip past row 7. So that row is now hidden. If we want to unhide it, what you're going to do is click and drag from row 6 to row 8 so that both 6 and 8 are highlighted, and then we'll right click so that it encompasses row 7 as well, and then we're going to go down to the bottom and click unhide. And there we go. Row 7 is back. Now, a couple of important things. Even when a row is hidden, it's not going to change any of the calculations within your cells. So let's just say I have an auto sum here that's summing up everything in column F. $173. So if we hide a few rows here, I'm going to click and drag and hide rows 7 to 12 now. So we'll hide those. It's not going to change that number. So any calculations that are still using those cells that are hidden are not going to change. So that's very important to know. But you just got to be careful sometimes when you're editing a spreadsheet, or if you're copying and pasting some things. So if I was copying and pasting something down, if you don't realize that there are rows or columns hidden, then that could cause some issues. So we're going to make sure that all of these are shown right now. We're going to unhide them. And that is pretty much the gist of it. You can do the same thing with columns as well. So we can hide this quantity column and then click and drag, right click again and unhide it. It's very easy, and it's very easy to navigate. This is the quicker way to hide rows and columns. You can also do it from this format button, hide and unhide, hide rows, hide sheet, hide columns, and you can unhide as well here. But that takes a lot longer, so it's much easier to just select the row or column, right click, hide, and unhide. Remember to like if you enjoyed the video, if this was helpful. Subscribe for more Excel tutorials coming in the future, and more spreadsheets, more software tutorials overall, not just Excel. So stay tuned for that in the future. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.